Good day, ma'am. So, Joshua Miscala, uh, Prelim Activity 5, Student Directory. So, in index HTML, the important in this code, as you can see, we have here the div id root, which is the DOM node. So, this container acts as structural mounting target where the entire compiled React virtual DOM3. So it's dynamical injected and renderer. Next in post CSS config.js. So it works the behind scenes to process your tailwind code so that all design display properly on any browser like Chrome and etc. So next, so in the SRC index CSS, so we have here the tail base. It imports Tailwind global style into the app, so you can use utility classes for easy style. And then the main GSX. So this is the bridge of the script. So let's connect your React code up to app.jsx to the HTML file, which is the index.html. So without this, the website will just be a blank screen. On the app.jsx, so it contains the actual design and system logic. So we have here the use state and then the use effect. And the use state, it tracks dynamical updates, the list of student. Use effects is save the student list to the browser memory so the data is not lost when you refresh the page. The function handles adding new entire entries from the form and deleting student from the table. Next, how to open the website. So as you can see, we click this student directly and code, and yeah, see here the automatic. Wait for it. And so as you can see, we are here. We are in the code. So I click the app.jsx and then I type the cd student slash directory. Next, enter. So and then we have npm run dev. So we have here. So it's the result. So open the browser and then this is the output. That's all.